Our computers and mobile devices are constantly under attack by malicious threats. The great thing is, you don't have to be a cybersecurity expert to protect your loved devices. By knowing how to identify some of the most common threats, you'll be able to defend against sneaky attacks. Here are some of the most common types of malware that affect computers, explained in clear terms. 1. Viruses. A virus is a type of malicious software that attaches itself to clean files and spreads through a system, often damaging or deleting data. It typically activates when the infected file or program is opened, and it can replicate to other files and systems. 2. Worms. Worms are similar to viruses, but can spread on their own without needing to attach to a file. They exploit vulnerabilities in networks to move from one machine to another, often consuming bandwidth and slowing systems. Worms can also carry payloads that harm data or install backdoors. 3. Trojans. Named after the Trojan horse of mythology, Trojans disguise themselves as legitimate software. Once installed, they can give attackers access to a user's system, allowing data theft, surveillance, or the installation of other malware. Unlike viruses, Trojans don't replicate themselves. 4. Ransomware. Ransomware locks users out of their files or systems and demands a ransom payment, usually in cryptocurrency, to restore access. It's one of the most dangerous types, often delivered through phishing emails or compromised websites. 5. Spyware. Spyware secretly monitors a user's activity, tracking things like keystrokes, browsing history, and login credentials. It's often bundled with free software or disguised as a useful tool, and it can lead to identity theft or financial fraud. 6. Adware. Adware automatically displays or downloads unwanted ads. While not always harmful, it can slow down devices and create security risks, especially when it redirects users to malicious websites. 7. Rootkits. Rootkits are stealthy malware that hide deep in the operating system to avoid detection. They enable attackers to control the system remotely and can be very difficult to detect or remove. Each type of malware poses different threats, but all can compromise your system's security.